Ever dug through your bag in a crowded line, frantically searching for your wallet, only to find it buried under a mountain of receipts? We've all been there. But what if there was a smoother, faster way to pay? That's where Apple Pay and your Neon card come in. Today, we're diving into how to ditch the physical card and unlock the convenience of contactless payments with your iPhone. Why use Apple Pay? Let's face it, carrying a bulky wallet can be a pain. Apple Pay offers a sleek and secure alternative. It uses near-field communication, NFC, technology to transmit your payment information securely, eliminating the risk of lost or stolen cards. Plus, it's incredibly fast. No more waiting for cashiers to swipe or dip. But wait, can my Neon card work with Apple Pay? The good news is, yes. Neon offers MasterCard debit cards that are fully compatible with Apple Pay. So, if you're a Neon customer, you're already set to go. Adding your Neon card to Apple Pay, a step-by-step guide. Now, let's get down to business. Here's how to add your Neon card to Apple Pay in just a few simple steps. Grab your iPhone. First things first, you'll need your iPhone with the latest version of iOS installed. Open the Wallet app. It's the app with the familiar wallet icon. This is where you'll store all your digital payment methods. Tap the plus sign. Look for the plus sign in the top right corner of the app. This button lets you add new cards. Select Credit or Debit Card. A menu will pop up. Choose Credit or Debit Card to initiate the card adding process. Scan your card or enter details manually. Here, you have two options. Hold your Neon card up to your iPhone's camera, and it will automatically scan the card information. Alternatively, you can enter the card details manually. Verify with Neon app. Once the information is filled in, your Neon app might prompt you to verify your identity for security reasons. Follow the on-screen instructions within the app to complete this step. Agree to terms and conditions. Give Apple Pay the green light by agreeing to their terms and conditions. Set a default card, optional if you have multiple cards in your Apple Pay wallet. You can choose your Neon card as the default for faster payments. Congratulations! You've successfully added your Neon card to Apple Pay. Now you're ready to ditch the physical wallet and experience the ease of contactless payments. Using Apple Pay with your Neon card. So, you're all set up. But how do you actually use Apple Pay with your Neon card? It's incredibly simple. In stores, look for the contactless payment symbol, usually 4 wavy lines, at participating stores. When you're ready to pay, simply hold your iPhone near the payment terminal and wait for a confirmation beep or vibration. No need to wake your phone or open any apps. Online purchases. Many online retailers now offer Apple Pay as a payment option at checkout. Look for the Apple Pay logo during the checkout process. Select it, and your saved Neon card information will be used to complete the purchase securely. Security and privacy with Apple Pay. Security is a major concern when it comes to digital payments. Here's why you can relax with Apple Pay. No card information stored on your phone. Apple Pay doesn't store your actual credit card number on your device. Instead, it uses a secure token that is unique to your device. Even if someone were to intercept this token, they wouldn't be able to use it to make unauthorized purchases. Fingerprint or Face ID verification. Every Apple Pay transaction requires fingerprint or Face ID verification for added security. This ensures only you can authorize payments with your phone. Final thoughts. Apple Pay, combined with your Neon card, offers a convenient and secure way to ditch the bulky wallet and streamline your shopping experience. It's fast, secure, and incredibly user-friendly. So, why wait? Follow the steps we outlined and unlock the world of contactless payments with your iPhone today. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.